Monday, December 6th. My name is Marco and today we are in Piraeus in Greece. Tonight's flight will be Ryanair from Athens in Greece to Cologne in Germany. Flying conditions tonight looking good in Greece, but Cologne is reporting snowfall and poor visibility. So let's see and wait what we'll get. For now, I would say I'm ready, the camera is ready, and let's do it and get to the airport.
The year is 1991. Birds and people are living together in seemingly perfect harmony, until one day a young man catches fire. This is Phoenix.
This 4-hour and 50-minute flight. We'll do our best to make it even shorter. We're looking for a nice and early departure here. Quite some wind coming from the north, so we need all the time we get in order to land nicely on time in Cologne. Due to COVID, you are required to wear your masks at all time, unless you're eating or drinking something, or if you're younger than 12 years old. Also, due to COVID, the seatbelt sign will remain on. That means please remain seated if you do need to use the toilet. Press the call bell before actually standing up, and the cabin crew will tell you if the toilet is available to you. Then as well, we're traveling to a country with Spanish-specific corona restrictions, so after we land in Germany, please check the government website for the latest restrictions as they change from day to day. Other than that, the weather for flying is very nice. It's a little bit rainy here. We can expect some light turbulence in the departure, but then soon after we leave Greece, it should be nice and smooth all the way to Cologne, where it's a little bit cloudy, cold. Later during the night, some light snow expected. Wish you a very pleasant flight. Please give your full attention to the safety demonstration carried out by the cabin crew once the doors are closed, and that'll be it.
Lost or falls into the seat structure, please inform the cabin crew immediately. Larger devices, including laptops, must be switched off and stowed in your cabin baggage for takeoff and landing. Thank you for your attention. Please sit back, relax and enjoy the flight.
Εκταδεμένες, το ατομικό σας τραπεζάκι κλειστό, το μπράτσο του καθίσματός σας κατεβασμένο και το σκίαστρο του παραθύρου σας ανοιχτό. Για την προσωπική σας ασφάλεια, σας συνιστούμε να έχετε τη ζώνη σας δεμένη καθ' όλη τη διάρκεια της πτήσης. Φορητές ηλεκτρονικές συσκευές.
Yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, you are very welcome to Cologne, where the local time is 5 past midnight. Please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until the aircraft has come to a complete stop and the fasten seatbelt sign has been switched off by the captain. Please take care when opening the overhead lockers, as items may have become dislodged during landing, fell out and cause injuries. For those of you who smoke, refrain from doing so until you have reached the designated smoking area.
So here we are, welcome to Cologne Bonn Airport. It's midnight and for me it's now time to get home to Bonn. I hope you enjoyed the trip with me, and if you do so, you can give me a like, or even better, you can subscribe. For now, I wish you, as always, to stay safe, healthy, and we hope we'll see you again next time.
Find your way into this wonderland. Cross the maze, the dark, the innocent. Chase the faith, the thrill, the heaven sent. I got you wild, upside down. The labyrinth will guide you far away to a place where senses will decay. Your ghost and mind will shadow play. I got you wild, upside down. Find your way into this wonderland. Cross the maze.